Hey, how you doing? I just got back from a little hike, and it's a beautiful day. And this, my friends, this is the Osmo Pocket backpack mount. And I'm thinking that this is going to be one helpful piece of kit to make the most out of our Osmo Pockets. Hi, I'm Arnie, and this is Arnie Jacobson TV, where we talk travel, camera gear, and tech. And if that interests you, consider subscribing. Just click that big red subscribe button down below, and then click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. Oh, and by the way, make sure to check the show notes in the description below for more details. Recently, I received this backpack clip from Start RC, and today I was giving it a little bit of a try. This little device promises to be really useful, giving you the opportunity to keep recording while you have your hands occupied. And this is a perfect example. I wouldn't be able to use my Nordic poles and use the Osmo Pocket at the same time prior to getting this clip. I'm pretty jazzed about this. Now the clip is, it's pretty basic, but often the best ideas are. The main body of the clip is made of injection molded plastic, and it's really, really strong. You're going to notice that it's spring loaded, and the top portion is rotatable with a GoPro type mount on it. The spring that closes the jaws of this clip is really strong. So strong that some people might have a difficult time opening it first. I can see no way that this thing is ever going to come loose when it's in use. The second part of the clip is the bracket that goes around the pocket, and it's also made of injection molded plastic and fits into the GoPro bracket as you'd expect with any other GoPro device. After mounting the bracket, do not tighten the screw. This is going to allow you to easily insert the Osmo Pocket. And after insertion, go ahead, tighten everything up. The bracket really holds the pocket securely. The thing about this whole thing is that you're going to be able to use it in several ways. It's going to give you a lot of flexibility. Clip it to a shelf, a tree branch, bicycle handlebars, anything you can think of where the jaws will open up wide enough. And the clip also works really well as a base. Everybody who owns an Osmo knows that if you sit it down, it's not really stable by itself. Now, one of the things that I've been thinking is that, you clip it to your backpack strap like this on the side. It might be better It might actually be better if you clip it to the chest strap. Like that, directly in front of you. I kind of like that. Not everybody has this chest strap, but you could certainly rig something up. I think I like this better than being strapped onto the side here. Only time will tell. Now, one of the things that you might consider is that if you're using this and you want to be able to see the screen, is to connect your phone via cable so that you could have that out there and you could see it and use all the Mimo app, and then you could put it away, put it in your chest pocket, what have you. Just an idea. I've just got it myself, so I'm just kind of wondering how I'm going to use this best. And there you have it. This is the Osmo Pocket backpack mount. I've got a question for you. Can you see yourself using one of these things? I think it's going to be super, super useful. Hey, if you like this kind of content, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We do appreciate it. We'll see you next time.